This is New You Dental versus Donnie Beard. So are you with New You Dental? Wait, why don't you get it unmute for me there?
Buckle up, guys. Today we are going to witness two outrageous courtroom cases. But first comes a dental dispute unlike anything you've seen. A man claims he won't pay for his dental work, and the clinic is dragging him into court. From unpaid bills to teeth extractions, this one is about to get messy. Let's dive straight into the first hearing.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hi. Hi, yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're with New You Dental?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Set today's date for hearing. My last note says we did. We entered a default, but Donnie was there and he just couldn't get his audio connected. So, in all fairness,
the judge officially calls the case New Dental versus Donnie Beard. Already, tension sets the tone. The court wants to know if the clinic representative is present, and after a brief pause, confirmation comes in. The hearing is underway, and both sides are locked in, ready to clash over what really happened.
Back on. Have the two of you talked at all recently?
No, we didn't.
No? Would it help if I give you a minute, or do we just want to proceed with a hearing?
From my point of view, there is no way that we can have any talk with
You hear the judge recalls that Donnie Beard previously joined but couldn't connect his audio. The court notes that in fairness, he should be heard now. That detail matters. It shows the judge is giving the defendant another chance to tell his side. Fairness and clarity will be the core themes of this case.
Okay.
The defendant.
Okay. Well, why don't both of you raise your right hands for me? Can you raise your right hand? Donnie, why don't you, Mr. Beard, there you go. Do you swear affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth? Both of you?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Beard?
Yes.
The judge asks if the two sides have discussed matters privately. The dental office bluntly says no and insists there's no way to talk to the defendant. Already, the clinic's tone is rigid, suggesting they believe payment is non-negotiable. This refusal sets the adversarial stage.
Okay. You can put your hands
Yes,
down.
Your Honor.
Okay. And we're with you Dental. Let me get something right. I think we went through this before. Can you give me your name again?
My name is Diego Menzi.
And boy, I'm sorry. Spell the last name for me.
Yes, M-E-N as Nancy, S-I.
Now the formality begins. Both Donnie Beard and the dental representative are sworn in under oath. This step ensures whatever they say must be truthful under penalty of perjury. It's the moment that turns simple accusations into official testimony. The stakes instantly rise.
Yes, Nancy. That's right. Yep. That was the same name we had before. And you're familiar with the books and records as they pertain to this matter? Is that true?
Yes, I am.
Are you a full-time employee with New You Dental?
Yes.
Okay. I am showing an amount claimed.
The judge asks the representative to identify himself. He introduces his name as Diego Menzi and confirms he works for New Dental. Establishing identity may feel minor, but in court, credibility begins with simple facts, knowing exactly who's speaking for the business.
The last time we went through it's $4,679 in damages. Is that still accurate?
4,679.
Yeah. Okay. And then I, of course, had the court costs we went through, $143.85. That was court costs. What
Okay.
With regard to services, help me out again. What services were provided for this money?
It was the personal service. So we served the defendant with an officer.
I'm sorry.
The court dives into numbers. The clinic claims Danny owes $4,679 in damages plus court costs of $143.85. Diego affirms the figures. Money is at the heart of this fight, and these numbers will be challenged fiercely before the hearing ends.
I said, sir, I meant dental services.
Oh, yes, yeah. Yes.
So what did he have done? What did New You Dental do for him?
Okay, so let's go back in the past. I was trying to, get the paper again.
Sure.
So in 2020, they extracted some bones, some tooth. That was 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth I can see here. And then it was provided, the
Confusion strikes when Diego mistakenly describes the bill as personal service. The judge corrects him. This is about dental services. It's a small slip, but it hints at the cracks in how clearly the clinic is presenting their case. Precision matters, and the judge notices everything.
the partial denture, and then they were supposed to pay, but never happened.
Okay. And how much at that point is there an amount owed at that point, just so I can keep it straight?
Yeah. So the amount that was due was 4,679.
Oh, it was right at that point. So you never received any payments at that point on?
No, never.
Okay. And which you said 4 teeth extracted. Which teeth? Just so we keep clear on which ones they were.
Okay. We call it with numbers. So it's tooth number 23, number 3, number 4, and number 10.
Okay. 23, 3, 4, and 10. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. And did he receive the partial denture?
Yes, it was delivered. It was delivered on November, the same year, 2020.
Now comes the breakdown of treatment. 4 teeth, numbers 23, 3, 4, and 10, were extracted. A partial denture was made in November 2020. According to New Dental, Danny never paid for any of this. That's their accusation in black and white.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Beard, is that information true? Did you?
No.
The judge presses for clarity. What exactly was owed at the time? Diego insists the balance was already $4,679. No payments had ever been received. That flat statement sets up the courtroom's first major conflict, because Danny is about to push back hard.
No, did you not have these teeth extracted?
Pardon me?
Did you have these 4 teeth extracted?
Yes.
Okay. Did you receive a partial
Yeah,
denture?
yeah.
Did you?
They're right here.
Okay, so you got the denture, and this is 2020.
The judge turns directly to Danny Beard. At first, Danny denies the clinic's claims outright, but as questions tighten, his story begins to shift. It's the first glimpse of real tension. Is Danny telling the whole truth, or is he cornered?
Yeah.
What? They're telling me that you did not
got
pay for those.
All the dates you paid, Tommy.
12/4/2020. I made a payment of $200. And 1/1/2021, I made another payment of $179. 1/30/2021, I made a payment of $300. 2/15/2021, I made a payment of $250.
Danny is pressed about the extractions, and finally he admits, yes, his teeth were removed, and yes, he received the partial denture. That's a dramatic turnaround. His denial crumbles into admission, and the court now knows the procedure really happened.
3/15/2021, I made another payment of $250. 4/15/2021, I made another payment of $250. 5/11/2021, I made another payment of $150. 6/1/2021,
Well, I'm sorry, Mr. Beard.
I made
May 11th. What was the amount on May 11th? What was the amount on May 11th?
May 11th.
$250.
Okay, I'm sorry, and go on from there because I just didn't catch it.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
Then what after May 11th, what did you pay? Go ahead and keep going if there's more.
6/1/2021, I made a payment of $300. 7/7 of 2021, I made another payment of $350. And 8/7/2021, I made a payment of $150.
Danny strikes back with a list of payments he claims to have made. Hundreds of dollars across 2020 and 2021. He rattles off amounts like $200, $179, $300, and more. His defense is clear, he did pay, and the clinic isn't telling the full story.
Is that all the payments?
That's when I stopped paying.
Okay, that's when you stopped. Okay. So I see a total of, if I add those all up, it looks like 2,479. Does that sound right?
Yes.
The payment trail continues. Danny details dates and numbers, but a key issue arises. On May 11th, he insists he paid $250, while earlier he mentioned $150. That slip opens doubt. Did he really pay what he claims, or is he fumbling under pressure? Like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.